The Western. I was born in Normandy, right across from the English Channel, very close to all the beaches where the D-Day happened. A lot of my relatives or friends were fishermen. When they didn't have the weather forecast, there was no satellites, no maps. What was interesting is people rely on birds for the direction of the wind, so they use the wisdom of the birds. It's interesting. 2 black vultures and 1 caracara together.
Say it.
2 black vultures and 1 caracara together.
Oh, how funny. 4, 5, 6. They're really big.
There are teams that have children.
How many species we have so far?
There are times when people sit at the bird feeder all day in their backyard. Black vultures, 5, turkey vultures, 40. Everybody who sees a bird that day within a circle, that counts. Crested caracara, 6. And I think what's important is to know that there are thousands of people who are doing the same thing on the same day. Red-shouldered hawk, 1. Red-tailed hawk, 7. Crested caracara, 6.
Lincolns.
Black-bellied plover, 4.
White-throated.
Yes.
White-crowned.
Yes.
Harris's.
Yes. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the 20th anniversary of the Mad Island, Matagorda County Christmas Bird Count.
Thank you. Thank you. You're part of something much bigger. It goes from so many states, so many countries. I think that's what's amazing.
Black-necked still.
Yes.
Avocet.
Yes.
Screech-owl, anybody?
Yes.
Yes.
Belted kingfisher.
Yes.
Red-bellied.
Yes.
Yellow-bellied.
There are people who keep life lists.
Blue-ray.
1,000 birds, 2,000 birds, 5,000 birds. I have my
Yes.
book, and on this picture I write when I see the bird for the first time. Well, nature is, I guess, it can be gentle, it can be beautiful, but you got to just appreciate it or respect the signals and kind of flow with it. I mean, nature really, to me and to the people who come here with me, it's the balance between everything. Nature was here before us, and if we don't take care of it, if it disappears, we will disappear with it. Birding, it teaches you to go with the flow, to not expect something that won't be given to you, to be patient, to know if it doesn't happen today, it might happen another time. Because the birds are the kings.